I should check on Miles.
Hey, Pete.
Hi, Miles. I just wanted to see how you're doing with the news about Lee. Look, if you didn't want to work there anymore, May and I would understand.
I did want to quit when I heard. Then I remember what my dad used to say. A hero is just a guy who doesn't give up.
That's true, assuming he's doing the right thing. I got you that job. I'd hate for you to keep doing it if you think it's wrong.
So the people here, nothing Martin Lee did is their fault. They need help and I'm helping them. I think Dad would want me to stay. I think he'd be proud.
I know he would. And Miles, I'm proud of you too. Anytime you want to talk, just call.
Thanks, Pete. Gotta go. May just gave me a list of all the supplies again. All right, later.
Oké, en nu hebben we dus de weerspiegeling. We gaan dus weer naar het gebouw toe. Leuk. We hebben nog extra missies zo te zien. Nou, dat zullen we die eerst even doen. Tik-tak.
Spider-Man. So my tracker picked up some more people who were at the party and might have gotten, you know.
This is Ethan Albright, a biochem TA. Didn't show up for class. My software picked him up in a photo, but there's other pics from the same location and he's gone.
Still our best shot. I'll try to find the place. Thanks. Philip's photo is my only lead again. I gotta find this location. The picture shows elevated train tracks, like the ones up in East Harlem.
Kijk, waar zit dat? Het ding heeft toch een eindpunt, die trein, treinlocatie.
L train could mean Harlem.
Spider-Man, I talked to Carlos. He felt plugged until he got to the barbecue. Whatever happened to him kicked in after the Halloween party.
A delayed reaction. That's not good. There could be corrupted walking time bombs all over Manhattan. There are no elevated train tracks south of the university. I need to head north.
Noorden. Oh, nou, ik andere kant op. Oei.
I should be heading north.
Ja, ik ben er al mee bezig om naar noorden te gaan.
I see elevated train tracks. Those are northeast of ESU.
Noordoost. Niet deze grote weg dus. Dan hebben we nog een vaardigheidje. Ik heb geen vaardigheidje. Of vaardigheidje heb ik niet. Leuk. Dit zou de punt moeten wezen, toch?
This piece of the Shocker's original uniform showed me how to protect myself from his blasts. Of course, they always upgrade, don't they? Lee's corruption is frightening. Literally, no one's safe.
Ja, je moet wel heel ver het noorden heen gaan, niet?
But this is a whole new level. Good thing I've got Philip on my side. That guy has some impressive skills.
Whee!
I think these tracks are in East Harlem.
Ja, ik ga ook naar het oosten, maar... Oh, zo, helemaal. Heb ik hier ook gewoon een park gemaakt. Ah, kijk.
I'm on the right track. Literally. I should be able to follow these to where the photo was taken. Uh-oh. Looks like I might be too late. This is it. No corrupted students, but it looks like they've been here.
Praat met gewone burger.
What happened?
Bunch of maniacs going wild. They were high or something. Ran off up the street.
Gotta find them before someone gets hurt a lot worse.
It's him! Get a picture!
Nee, sorry. Ik heb geen tijd om foto's te maken.
Help!
There they are. Time to end this.
Please help us!
Can't hurt me. Be protected.
Lee corrupted a lot of people at the Halloween party.
Tear off your skin. Show them.
Woep.
The sooner I get you guys back to normal, the better. Door's locked. No time to be polite about it. I think that's it.
Dat hoop ik ook.
I was just drinking my latte, thinking about this one time I got mugged. And I saw this big crowd of people, and it's like someone flipped a switch.
You should be fine now. Though maybe you should switch to decaf.
Nou, dat was de extra missie. Dan ga ik de normale missie toe.
Congratulations, Captain. You got the City Hall bomber.
We got him.
Tomato, tomato. My point is, you've been burning the candle at both ends lately. You should take a vacation.
I'm not exactly the tourist type, but once we've rounded up the rest of Lee's people, maybe I will. No planes, no suitcases, just uninterrupted sleep.
Oh, you are a party animal. But hey, whatever floats your cruise ship. Or doesn't. You've earned it.
Ga gewoon lekker zo. Dan ben ik even een stuk sneller. Hoppakee. Af en toe even dit. Whee! Lekker slaan in de lucht. Whee! Dat jullie misschien wel dit hele stuk hebben geskipt, maar ik vind het swingen wel leuk.
Possible 207. Witnesses reporting an abduction. Incident is active in Touchtown. Over.
Oh, dat kan ik wel even doen. Die is niet zo ver.
I'll set my earpiece to focus on muffled voices. I think we have a winner. Easy, I've got you.
Thanks. But the cops understaffed. I was afraid no one would find me.
There! Those are the guys who did it!
Get over here! Ready in! Finally, a real fight! Ready in!
Niet dat ik in gedachten had, maar heel goed. Ik heb ze. Maakt niet uit. Oh. Ja, oké. Oei.
Peter,
You okay?
I'm getting by.
I don't know how I feel about you running this place all by yourself.
And these people need help. If I lose a few hours of sleep, so be it.
So have you heard from Mr. Lee since?
No. But the Martin I know couldn't have done that. Whatever's become of him, that's not the one I want to remember. So, how are things with MJ?
Oh, it's Well, you know, she's, it's complicated.
Honesty. That's what got me and Ben through the rough patches.
You guys had rough patches?
Oh, sure. Especially when we were your age. So, are you honest with her? Does she know the real you?
Hey, turn it up. I want to hear this.
A spokesperson for the police has confirmed that this was the truck carrying the device used in the Grand Central Terminal attack.
Oh, it never ends. Peter?
Pieter is even niet beschikbaar. Probeer het later nog eens. Spreek u. Ja, spreek iets naar de piep. Piep.
Captain Watanabe, leave a message.
Yuri, where are you? Call me when you get this. I just hope the devil's breath is still there.
Is het nog steeds dezelfde missie dan? Oh, nou in één keer van de regen. Is dit al de tweede missie? Oh, wauw. Eerst door, joh.
If the demons got to that truck, this just went from bad to catastrophic.
Jezus, hallo. Doe eens even normaal.
Folks, the mastermind of the City Hall bombing has finally been brought to justice, and shockingly, it's philanthropist Martin Lee. Now, I'll discuss in a moment what kind of twisted Jekyll and Hyde mentality it takes to lead such a double life. But first, a word of caution to everyone celebrating his arrest. Yes, it's good that he's in jail, but look at all the things we didn't know. How long was he a suspect without anyone telling us? How long did he have a deadly biological weapon that could kill us all? Shouldn't we have been told? Evacuated the city? It's not an accident that we weren't given the information we need to protect ourselves and our families. Someone made that decision. Was it the police? The mayor? I know one guilty party for sure, and his initials are Spider-Man.
Devil's breath is gone, but we got even bigger problems.
Rikers?
We have to hurry. Hop on.
What happened?
It was a coordinated attack. Must have been planned from the outside. Every cell block is breached. We're minutes away from every prisoner and Rikers walking right up 5th Avenue.
What about the raft?
Should be okay. It's a supermax facility. Better security and a separate power grid.
Good. What about the Devil's Breath?
Sable's handling it.
Do you trust them?
Do I have a choice?
Uh-oh. Should have worn your seatbelt.
Take him out. Hurry.
I'm on it.
Ja, doe ik zeker. Hier, neem deze. Roep.
Damn it. They got into the armory.
Is that bad? That sounds bad.
It means some of the inmates are armed with rocket launchers.
Yeah, that's bad. I'm on it.
Kijk.
You guys go back to your cells and behave. We can forget this ever happened.
Hier, neem deze. Jullie allemaal?
Who thought it was a good idea to bring rockets into a prison?
Come in. This is Sergeant Hansen. Anyone on this channel?
This is Captain Watanabe. Where are you?
Electrical access. Rooftop near cell block D. Trying to restore power. That you in the chopper?
Affirmative. What happened here?
No idea. First the power went out, then all hell broke loose.
Hold tight. We'll get you as soon as we can.
On my way. Someone's trapped behind that door.
Oh, jij bent er ook nog. Hey. Hier, jij ook.
They're coming. Where is everybody? They're attacking my car.
Nou, daar komt die dik ook nog bij, joh.
Help the warden. I'll keep working on getting the power restored. Right, I'm on it.
Jou eens weghalen, jongens. Hier, neem die. Neem die.
Gotta take them all out.
Hier. Wegwezen. Heel goed.
Could this get any worse?
It can always get worse.
Neem deze. Wat zeggen? Neem dit. Hup.
Just a couple more.
Je moet van die sniper af. Hier! En dan moet jij.
They're stealing a chopper.
God, dan gaat ze dat ook nog weer stelen. Eerst gaan ze de auto's lopen, dan willen ze de helikopter weer stelen. Die helikopter. Ik ben blij dat ik zo kan tegen. En snel kan reageren. Of dat soort dingetjes.
License and registration, please.
Bewijs en papieren graag.
Okay, looks like things are somewhat under control.
I thought you said the raft was secure.
Oké. Oh.
Maybe it's not as bad as it looks.
Misschien valt dat mee. Nou, denk het niet.
In my experience, when it looks bad, it's usually worse. Look out!
Electro.
Yuri!
I'm flipping!
Gotcha. Hold on! You okay?
Yeah.
Welcome to the party. Just in time for the fire. Looks like we made parole, boys.
Electro, why is he letting everyone out?
I'll head for the main control center and see how bad the situation is.
Got it. I'll go join the party. Everyone just quietly go back into your cell and lock the door behind you, okay? Please?
Op. Hup, ga maar de cel in. Jij ook weg.
That doesn't sound good.
Open de deur. Dat is een steek.
Oh, hi Rhino.
Oh, Rhino er ook nog bij. En Electro.
What is he talking about?
Unexpected power surge detected. Incident response team required.
Hey, what's your status?
Me? Just trapped in a prison
Scorpion?
with a criminal I put away last.
Oh my god.
This is too good to be true.
Scorpion, can you hold on a minute? I was in the middle of a phone call and it was business.
Och ja, alsof Scorpion en die andere twee daarop gaat wachten.
Lost you for a second there. You okay?
Not really. Electro, Rhino, and now Scorpion are all on the loose. What's going on in the rest of the prison?
Camera system's almost done. I'll give you a sit rep soon.
Okay, I'll keep tracking Electro.
Nog meer?
Whoa! Come on, Spider-Man. I thought this was a chase.
Is het ook, maar ja, als je alleen maar irritant blijft doen.
You can't stop me. But I'm flattered that you still try.
If you tell me who you're working for, I'll go easy on you.
Kom eens hier. Geen zin.
Long time no see. We're going to have so much fun.
Vulture? Ik dacht dat ik er Robin was, maar... Nou ja, het is Vulture blijkbaar.
Still with me, huh? Okay, I got the security cameras back online.
How's it look?
Well, it looks like the entire population of the raft has escaped, including Martin Lee. That makes 5 of your worst enemies that are now on the loose.
Oh!
I am serious. I have to go. Some of them are heading in.
Ik heb me niet tegengehouden omdat die game dat niet snel laat doen.
Time to talk.
Still with me, huh?
Okay, I got the security cameras back online.
How's it look?
Well, it looks like the entire population of the raft has escaped, including Martin Lee. That makes 5 of your worst enemies that are now on the loose.
For a second there, I thought you were serious.
I am serious. I have to go. Some of them are heading into the
Kom
city.
op.
This is nuts.
Kom op zeg. Ja, jeetje. Waar is die nou weer? Ben ik een serieus kwijt? Meen je toch niet? Ja, waar is die dan?
Still with me, huh?
Okay, I got the security cameras back online.
How's it look?
Well, it looks like the entire population of the raft has escaped, including Martin Lee. That makes 5 of your worst enemies that are now on the loose.
For a second there, I thought you were serious.
I am serious.
Oh, daar zit hij, Jezus.
Into the city.
This is nuts.
Kom eens hier. Oh, oké, dat zijn containers. Hopom.
Keep chasing. Party's almost over.
Electro, stop!
Ja, Electro stop is. Maar heel vervelend.
How do you like my new suit?
Dashing. Where'd you get it?
It's an exclusive club.
Oh, hij ook nog.
Remember, he said not to kill him.
Good idea. In fact, we don't have to do this at all if you don't want to.
We definitely want.
First and final warning.
Each of you has a job to do. Your debts will be repaid when we're done. Go!
Oh ja, nu. Heel toevallig komt er een schip langs.